Blades replacement. Windshield wiper blade. Lift the arm assembly away from the glass for clearance. Squeeze the locking tabs, then rotate the blade away from the arm to detach it. Place the blade onto the arm, inserting the tab on the arm into the slot on the blade, then pivot the blade downwards. Squeeze the locking tabs together while pushing the blade towards the arm. An audible click can be heard when each tab is locked into place. Then lower the arm to the windshield. Rear wiper blade. Lift the wiper arm away from the glass, then use a plastic trim tool to pry the blade from the arm. Align the slot in the wiper blade with the pin in the wiper arm, then push until it clicks into place. Lower the arm back down to the windshield.